Good morning, everyone. Sammy Truitt again. Here to talk to you a little bit more about automobile insurance. We talked a little bit about liability before. I want to talk about what we call comp and collision. Anytime that you buy a car and you finance it with the bank, they're going to require you to cover comp and collision. Collision is pretty self-explanatory. That covers if you're in a wreck. Comprehensive is when your windshield breaks, somebody keys your car, tree limb falls on your car, car's flooded away. So anything not involved in an accident, it would fall under your comprehensive. I tell a lot of my students at Socastee I talk to once a quarter that make sure you can afford your deductibles. They might give you a $2,500 deductible and it might save you some money on your premium, but you got to remember, when you have a $2,500 deductible, that's the first $2,500 coming out of your pocket. So make sure you can afford the higher deductible, and I do recommend you getting higher deductibles because it will save you anywhere from 15 to 25% on your collision. And especially for younger drivers, what we call inexperienced drivers, those rates are very, very expensive to start off with for the first year. So make sure that you can afford it. Another thing that I advise my younger drivers is try to buy a car that they can pay cash for. If you got to borrow the money from mom and dad, if you got to borrow it from aunt and uncle or grandmoms, so you don't have to carry comp and collision. Get an older model. It's going to save you a lot of money. And also, if you can add that car to your mom and dad's policy, which will make it even cheaper because it's what we call multi-car discounts. So there's several ways that we can advise you to save money. And if you have any questions, please give us a call. Have a good day.